Welcome to Las Vegas Marlin Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. I've been practice the 720 outside jumping kick, which is a tornado kick with the other direction. 720 wasn't easy. You can see this in a lot of wushu competition, and the young athlete now they have the new technique. And they do this looks like pretty easy. Because this is not a new technique for them, because they start this technique straightforward for 720. But for my generation, my technique is 540 jumping outside kick. Technique is very different than 720. Today we're gonna figure out how to make steps and jump and rotation and the kick with the landing to achieve a 720 outside jumping kick. Let's go. I really want to achieve this jumping outside kick, tornado kick outside. I say this right, and this is the goal is 720. The first time I think I don't relax enough. Once I take the steps, I still want to give all energy, but I don't have the moment. Boom, explosive or bump up, jump higher and make the kick. And the second thing, my kick just not strong enough. It's not fast enough. Not just go fast go up, I need a fast go down. That's how my height can go up. So that's kind of like second jump. This will be generate the rotations, the speed. So that's my goal. Can achieve this for 720. Yeah, let's do this. The second time I do is a little bit better. I try to rotate a little more and then start the kick a little bit later, because the later doing this kick and then you can have more rotations, so you can achieve 720. But I believe my kick is just not sharp enough. Still need a little bit quicker, and quick go down will help me to get my goal for 720. So the next time I really want to try step slow and relax, not give any energy, because the energy is only when I bump up and at the same time twist my shoulder. And that's how I start rotation first, and I kick my leg very quick and quick go down. See if it can be better this time. Luck to me. Let's get this done. This is my goal today. Yes. Boom. Boom. Ah, kick. Boom. Yes. Suck. It's a little bit better. I think I got a really good kick. You see the slap, boom, how the sound. Quick enough to go down, and rotation is good, but the landing is solid. Just the angle, I believe, maybe less than 45 degree, not enough. So I need to go all the way 720. So where I start my kick, I have to landing the same. I needed to fix the problem. I believe it's about the rotation. I do exactly the same step, like a water and slow, and boom, I got an explosive jump. And I just have to quickly rotate a little bit more. If I can rotate a little bit more, I believe I can get this time. The next time, 720, landing by horse stance. The technique, coming and go. One more thing that's very important. Trust yourself. You have to trust yourself, and you believe you can do it. Let's get this. So this time is much better. I think the angle is almost there. Just when I landing, it's not stable. So if we're in real competition, that is a deduction. So, can I achieve today? What do you think? So leave your comment below. Let me know. See if I can achieve the 720 or not. Let's do one more time. 气响以后，身体往前仰。喂！I believe this time I will get it. I applied everything I could for this movement, but one thing is not enough. Relaxation is the water. I have to flow in and let's rotate to be shapeless, formless, more relaxed. Once a strike, I give the strong strike, which is the kick. And I believe I can do it this time. Fuck! Yes! Oh my gosh. Finally I did it. So maybe still not the perfect. So that's why Kung Fu need a daily training to become perfection. I achieved my goal. Figure out all things, how to step, how to take off, how to rotate, how to kick, how to landing. The technique will come in and go. Only way is have to repeat and repeat the right technique. Technique will become yours and become stable. Yeah, I had a lot of fun to training with you, my friend. So take care, subscribe, and hit the bell button. I see you in the next video.